A few years ago, robots were just machines, slow, limited, and far from human ability. But today, everything is changing. Right now, AI-powered robots are entering the real world, not in movies, but in factories, restaurants, and even homes. These machines don't get tired. They don't need breaks. They don't make human mistakes, and that's what makes them powerful. In some factories, robots are already replacing human workers. They can assemble products faster, more precisely, and for longer hours. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No sleep, no complaints. And it's not just factories anymore. In some countries, robots are now working in restaurants, taking orders, cooking food, even serving customers, all without human help. What used to take a full team of workers can now be done by just a few machines. And then comes the next level, humanoid robots. Machines that look and move like humans. They can walk, carry objects, follow instructions. Some can even understand voice commands and respond like a real person. This is no longer science fiction, it's happening right now. Companies are investing billions into this technology because the benefits are clear. More efficiency, lower cost, higher speed. But there's also a shift happening. The definition of work is changing. Tasks that once required skill and experience can now be automated. And as AI continues to improve, these robots will only become smarter, more capable, more independent. In the future, they may not just assist humans. They may replace them completely in many industries, from warehouses to delivery systems to customer service. The world is moving toward automation faster than ever before. And these machines are leading that change, not as tools anymore, but as a new kind of workforce. A workforce that never stops, never slows down, and never looks back. And this is not just theory anymore. In China, a new generation of AI robots is already being used in real life. Some of these robots cost around $10,000, and they are not just machines, they are working like real humans. In restaurants, they take orders, cook food, and serve customers. In homes, they can help with daily tasks, cleaning, organizing, and assisting people. Even in food delivery, robots are now replacing human workers. These machines can work for hours without getting tired, without making mistakes, and without asking for anything in return. Imagine having a robot in your home that can handle 2 to 3 days of your work in just a short time. This is not the future anymore. This is happening right now.